Hello, welcome to question 3 on the 2016 paper. Let's get that written down, 2016. Grays Hockey sponsors, of course they are legends. I copy and pasted this earlier in the week. We're at 1.17. We're now at 1.3. So thank you for spreading the word on the channel. Amazing. Okay, Debbie is the principal of a sports college. She states, on average, the students at our college are taller than the athletes in the 2012 Olympics. The mean height of athletes in the 2012 Olympics was 176.9 centimetres. Assume the heights in centimetres of the students at the college are normally distributed with a mean of mu and a variance of 40. A random sample of 10 students from the sports college had the following heights in centimetres. Calculate a 90% confidence interval for mu, hence comment on Debbie's statement. So the first thing that I want to do with this is I want to calculate the mean of this sample. So these values are all added together and they make 1,805. And then because we've got 10 values, we divide it by 10 and that gives me a mean of 180.5. Now, next thing to do is to start to calculate the confidence interval by using the standardized normal distribution. There it is, like so, with the standard deviation of 1 and the mean of 0. Okay, so it's a 90% confidence interval, which means 5% is going to be on this end, 5% is going to be up the other end, meaning that that area is going to be 0.05. So into our calculators, we need to be in stats mode, distribution normal, and then on the inverse normal, we're looking at the tail on the left. The area is 0.05, and we get a value of minus 1.64, meaning that we'll have a positive value up on the right-hand side. Okay, the next thing we do is we're going to try and calculate this confidence interval level where we use the mean, and that's going to be plus or minus our value of 1.64, which is then multiplied by the square root of the variance, which is 40, over the square root of n, which is 10. Okay, so our value of x bar is going to be 180.5, and then we plug it into the calculator. So our plus version, once we've put that all in, we get 183.78. And then our minus version is 177.22. So we now need to just go back up to the question and we need to comment on Debbie's statement. So Debbie's statement is, on average, the students at our college are taller than the athletes at the 2012 Olympics. The mean height for those students is, for the athletes at the Olympics is 176.9, just double check that, which is good. Now that's outside of the confidence interval, meaning we can confirm that Debbie is correct, as 176.9 falls outside of the confidence interval. And we're done. Okay, question 3 completed. See you at question 4.